Nexo really is a coin that is right now exchanged at 0.645705 per unit with a market capitalization of 361.594,747 that for the most part makes it a low-position cryptographic money in an unobtrusive manner. Computerized resources like Nexo have previously turned into the point of convergence of consideration. Not just for kind of retail financial backers and examiners yet additionally for enormous institutional financial backers who sort of see Nexo and the remainder of digital currencies as a successful fundamentally support against expansion that negatively affects the worldwide economy, or so they thought. So how about we center around the Nexo market, its ongoing standings, as well as the midterm and long-haul cost expectation that generally depends on the readings of our restrictive crypto unpredictability file fix, which is very critical. As of now, the cost of Nexo basically remains at 0.645705, and this specific computerized resource most certainly stands firm on the 74th foothold. In the worldwide digital currency, exceptionally positioning for sort of your data, the positioning of each and every cryptographic money basically is vigorously dependent on its exceptionally current market capitalization and value, and is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most modern data on the resource being referred to, or so they thought, likewise to generally get a superior truly handle of the market circumstance and sort of figure out the very broad bearing of the pattern or two. For the most part, unless it's non-attendance on August 9th, at the end of the day-to-day exchanging session, the cost of Nexo remained at 0.664887, a difference of 0.10 when contrasted with the value 7 days prior on August 10th. As a result of the endeavors of all market participants, or so they thought, the cost moved by 0% compared to its present standing a month ago. On August 11th, Nexo was valued at 0.634857, which concurred with our cost expectation for that specific period. Multiple digital currencies prior to making trading decisions, market capitalization is a crucial metric for traders. It is calculated by multiplying the total number of coins that are currently in circulation by their market price. Supply by the current price of Nexo, which is referenced as of now explicitly, remains at 0.645705, or so they believed. Using this equation, we have determined the current market capitalization of Nexo 2 to be 361,594,747, which legitimizes its position as the 74th coin among those currently available on the cryptographic currency market. On August 10th, the total amount of capital committed to Nexo was determined to be $351,233,514. The information from the previous month posted on August 11th suggests that Nexo had a market capitalization of $355,520.172. As its name proposes, the greatest stockpile alludes to the most extreme number of coins that will ever be mined or stamped inside the genuinely contrasting blockchain network. When that sum is accomplished, the framework stops the creation of new coins forever. In contrast to prevalent belief, the greatest stockpile is normally shown in the source code of the fundamental convention as well as the white paper. Nexo has an extraordinary stockpile of 1 million coins, which is extraordinarily large. This aspect of a coin can be viewed as a hedge against inflation due to the fact that the foreordained issuance rate, combined with the stockpile ceiling, frequently renders the coin deflationary once the stockpile ceiling is reached and creates a pre-modified shortage of a given resource, which creates the conditions for a substantially more predictable and consistent price appreciation, which is generally extremely important. Supply refers to the number of coins that have been actively mined, printed, or created, and are either in circulation or secured in engineers' or holders' frozen wallets. This number is truly enormous. The very complete stockpile likewise considers any coins that in every practical sense have been scorched, put unavailable for general use. To keep a solid expansion rate, it can sort of measure up to the quantity of remarkable portions of an organized station that sort of is public on the securities exchange in an unpretentious manner. The truly all-out supply of Nexo right now generally remains at 10000000000 Nexo, which by and large is genuinely huge as Currently made sense of the flowing stock really is the most normally involved essentially metric for deciding a market capitalization of a digital money being referred to. It relates with the practically the best guess of the general number of coins that essentially are public on digital money trades and truly add to their liquidity certainly, as opposed to prevalent thinking their volume does exclude the coins that are vested marked in brilliant agreements secured and computerized wallets or put unavailable for general use, which in a real sense is very critical. The circling supply is essentially comparable to the drifting stockpile of offers and the massive financial exchange that is occurring right now. The circling supply of Nexo is currently valued at 560,010,101 Nexo. In addition, per the standards of expert examination, the perusing of exchanging volume can in reality help with deciding superior section and exit focuses. Huge cost moves, pattern inversions or solidifications regularly occur at the cost levels that are joined by generally high volume, since those are the volumes where enormous cash in every way that really matters had become possibly the most essential factor. Contrary to prevalent belief, as indicated by our data, the exchanging volume on the Nexo market was generally as per the following over the genuinely high cost levels. Bitcoin price prediction as bears pull BTC down to $29,000 level. Where is BTC going next? Recently, Bitcoin has stayed above $29,000, which could be a good sign, but it hasn't hit $30,000 yet. It has been trading between $28,900 and $29,280, which shows how unsure the market is. Notably, people who own a lot of Bitcoin are selling less, which could mean they think its value will go up in the future. The recent rise in Bitcoin's value may be related to PayPal's release of PayPal USD, PYUSD, a new digital currency. This global payment company has joined the world of cryptocurrencies by making PYUSD, which is built on Ethereum technology and made to keep its value stable. This is a big deal because it's the first time that a major bank has made its own stable digital currency. This change could change how people think about cryptocurrencies, which could help Bitcoin's value go up. Changes to Bitcoin ETFs, what they mean for the price of Bitcoin and investor interest. The CEO of ARK Invest, Cathie Wood, thinks that the SEC might take longer than expected to accept their Bitcoin ETF. Wood says that the SEC could possibly accept multiple Bitcoin ETFs at the same time. This would help to balance the demand, which is worth about $50 billion right now. BlackRock and Fidelity, two other big investment firms, are also thinking about putting out Bitcoin ETFs. Wood thinks that these companies will compete with each other based on how they market themselves. Grayscale, a well-known crypto investor, has asked that all ETFs be approved in a fair and unbiased way. This goes along with